All right, good morning over here at Pointine. Really nice day out, a little hazy and overcast, but it looks good out here on the bay. I started cleaning up the lot, got to pick up some trash. I got some guys up here gonna move some rock, do some chopping. We got some little flowers we're gonna probably replant. Some of these things get kind of large, but we're gonna put them over here at the base of the slope. These things all just volunteered, popped up. Do a little fence work or cap right down there where the new fence is. Just throw some concrete down there. Yeah, it's coming along, it's looking good. Had some stuff wash up on the seawall, so I'm gonna break out some trash bags and start picking up some trash and start doing some choppy. Supposed to have a contractor, maybe two, stop by and hopefully walk the lot, rough measurements out with them, and be able to get some estimates from there also. So, all right, keep you updated. Ain't as much trash as I was expecting it to be. All right, nice little rain out here. Everybody says it's Passover. See a lot of sunlight underneath it. Had a nice long meeting with a contractor, talking about the build, the design, and just trying to get an estimate. Gonna do a follow-up meeting in a few days, which is a good sign. Maybe I'll finally be able to get some prices, get moving on this thing. I still got to call another one this evening and working on a couple more, so hopefully somebody will come through soon. Gonna have to grab some lunch here soon and then get the plumbing materials for out at False Bluff. But got a lot of chopping done, got a lot of rock pulled. Gonna do a little concrete pour tomorrow on that end cap where my neighbor got the fence, his fence up. Gonna build a little gate over here on the front fence. Man, that looks very good.
Thank you, bro.
Good afternoon. Just got back to the hotel, met up with caretaker, went over to the Ferreteria. It's gonna be about a 320 foot run, as close as I could figure out. Not good with plumbing. Got a bunch of stuff. Was able to get all the parts 1 inch, reducing it down to 1/2 inch. I think it's going to be pretty much most of what we need for the first trip. Total came to 6,900 Cordoba, which comes out to be about 190 bucks. So I had to get a little bit of tools, shovels, pipe cutter, vinyl tape, glue. But I think we have everything good to go. The store is gonna put the order together tonight, and then tomorrow morning we'll meet here, go over to the Ferreteria, either carry everything. The PVC is like 20 foot long, so we'll probably get a little cart. They have the little guys that push the wooden carts around, and just cart it over to Pointine and load it onto the boat and head out to False Bluff. Good evening. Just finishing up the day. Had a good productive day, long day. Talked to 3 contractors today, so getting a little closer. Hopefully I'll get some positive responses back. Have an early start tomorrow. Gonna leave here, get plumbing, start trenching. It's like 300 and some feet of trenching, so it's going to be a lot of digging. Luckily it's beach and it should go well enough. So anything else good pop up, I'll chuck it in here, but it's a little late and basically winding down for the night. So y'all have a good one.